Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. In this video, I want to tell you why I don't like sleeping on soft mattresses, or why when I buy a mattress, I always buy ones that are very firm. All right. I know a lot of people, they like soft mattresses. I have patients telling me that they feel like if it's soft, they're so comfortable, gives them a feel of luxury and comfort. Now, I don't like soft mattresses because, and for me personally, I don't need to feel that feeling of luxury from a soft mattress. What's important for me is how it's gonna support my back, how it's gonna support my body, and how it's gonna make me sleep. When you have a soft mattress, your body kind of like curves in because the mattress is soft. And if you do that for a long period of time, you're gonna end up having back issues. Now, having a firm mattress on the other hand, it's the opposite. It supports your back better. And let me show you. So the beds that we have here, of course, this is not how beds are usually at home, but it's a good example because it's firm. So there are mattresses that you can buy that will be firm and give you the support that you need. Okay. Now, let's say for example, when you're sleeping like this, when you have, if it's a soft, let's say if it's a soft mattress, then you tend to, your back will sink in. And then your back will be in a curved position the whole night. So that can eventually lead to pain. Now, if it's firm like this, you see the back is pretty straight, the spine is pretty straight, it's very well supported, right? And to add on to that, if I'm experiencing back pains, I actually put pillows under my knees and keep it bent. And this flattens my back even more. So this gives me even more support for my back. But even just lying down like this, sleeping normally, this is enough to keep my back straight, keep my spine flat, and that should be able to give me a good night's sleep. At the same time, if I do this for prolonged period of time, meaning years and years, it's not going to cause any problems on my back. All right. So that's the main reason why I don't like buying soft mattresses, or I don't like sleeping on soft mattresses. And when I go to hotels, that's one of the main difficulties I have. So I like sleeping in my own bed. It's just I have a better night's sleep. So let me know what you think of this video. Let me know how it benefits you. Feel free to share this with people you know. And you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or like us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video of how to end chronic pain. Bye.